New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lumberton, or 16 miles east of Camden, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Presidential Lakes Estates, Wrightstown, Browns Mills, and Presidential Lakes around 8:40 p.m. Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, and Woodruff around 8:50 p.m. Jackson, Lakehurst, Pine Ridge at Crestwood, and Cassville around 8:55 p.m. Leisure Village West Pine Lake Park, Pleasant Plains, Holiday City Berkeley, Cedar Glen West at Holiday City South around 9 p.m. Toms River, Lakewood, Beechwood, Leisure Village, and Leisure Village East around 9:05 p.m. Seaside Heights, Maniloking, Brick Township, Dover Beaches North, Dover Beaches South, and Ramtown around 9:10 p.m. Manna, Swan, and Point Pleasant Beach around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Country Lake Estates, Silver Ridge, Brielle, Point Pleasant, Leisure Knoll, National Weather Service Office, Crestwood Village, Guilford Park, South Toms River, and Bayhead. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 5, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 47, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 79 and 97. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, and Ocean.